वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आणि so today I'm going to show you a meat pickle, or you can, but meat I'm using beef pickle. And तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचो मोल, गायच्या मासाचो मोल. तर हांवें हें घेतला 1 किलो. and हे चंक्सान कातुल्ल्या. सो 1 किलो तुका मेवता मास. ते घेवन मातशें तुमी कशें जाय पळय तें तुमकां कातून, व्हडले जाय धाकटे जाय, कित्याक हे आमकां आतां भाजूंक जाय, बोश्टे भाजूंक जाय. ओके, बरें ऑयलान तेलान भाजूंक जाय डीप. तर अशें कातरून घेयात. हे भिंडीचे घेतला, भिंडी मास. So I've used I've taken this beef, okay, 1 kg, and you cut them in bigger chunk, smaller chunk, whichever way you want. And we have to fry this separately without adding any salt, without adding any ginger garlic paste, nothing. We have to just fry this. Then it will go into our rechado masala, or you can say red masala. Okay, so the name of this dish in Goan Konkani language is mol. M-O-L-L you can say, M-O-L-E you can say. So what else you need? So if you want to check my rechado masala for making more quantity, then also you can just check that online. So here is our ingredients. So now we need Kashmiri chili for giving red color. They are not spicy. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Approx 12 you can use, you can take. Then a little bit of tamarind. Then I've taken 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. This is like 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This size of cinnamon stick, 6 of cloves, and this is around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so around like 16 of peppercorns. This size, please check, okay, of ginger. 1 whole pod I will use for garlic, because I like more of garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can reduce it. Now this is onion which I have roasted on gas. And now I will remove this part, and then I will use this. So few curry leaves for flavor when we are adding the masala. So vinegar, use Goan vinegar. So it is like to grind this all into a fine paste. So let's grind this, and then we have to fry this separately now. So now let's add the vinegar to this. इथून आता आम्ही विनाक घालूया. सो इट्स लाईक 1/2 कप कहें घाला आणि बरोबर बारीक वाटून घेऊया. नो एडिंग वॉटर, ओनली ग्राइंड दिस विथ विनेगर. सो हियर इट इज, इट्स रेडी. सो नाव विल फ्राय आ मीट. तर आता तयार आसा. आता आम्ही मांस भाजून घेऊया. So now I'll fry my beef. तर आम्ही आता हे beef मातशे भाजून घेऊया आमचे मांस. Medium flame. So fry this till this is nicely fried. So I have fried this nicely, and now we fry our curry leaves and the masala in this. तर हांवें ते भाजून घेतला आनी आतां हांव त्यात इल्लें हें तेल काडून दवरलां सुबेज जाता जाल्यार, आनी आतां हांव ह्याच तेलान करीपत्ता घालता. आणि आमचो मसालो. No adding water. आता बरे भशेन फ्राय करून घेऊया. आणि हितून आता आमचे मांस घालूया. Let's add this. We'll cook for a few minutes. Check your salt, because the masala was having salt, so that's why now you will have to add the salt to this. So you need salt. So it goes now in the meat. And let's now cook this for few minutes, and it is done. Then you have to store this and then leave it for a few days till it gets nicely matured, and then you can eat this. So I have covered this and let it get cooked on low flame. So मासोगत आमी आता हे दांपून दवरया, आनी मीठ तुमी चेक करून घालात, कित्याक हांवें मीठ लावंक नासलें मासाक. नो मॅरिनेशन कांय नाका, कित्याक आमचो ह्यो मसालो सगळो मच्युअर्ड जातलो भितर. आनी मीठ तुमी चेक करून घालात मातशें गो शिजोनी, आनी मागीर ताका आमी एटलिस्ट 4-5 दीस बाटलेन बरें घालून दवरपाचे भितर. फ्रिजीन दवरात भितर, कित्याक गरमी आसता गोंयांत, ते पिड्यार जावंक शकता भायर. तो फ्रिजीन दवरात आनी मागीर 4 दिसा उपरांत तुमी खावंक शकता. And here it is ready. So now I will put off the gas, let it cool down, and then I will put it in a bottle and have this after 4 days. And this can be preserved for months if you are making in a bigger quantity and presuming it and keeping it inside. Then it can be kept for months and years too, because we have not added any water to this recipe. तर हें आतां हांव मागीर बाटलेन घालून दवरतली, 4 दिसा उपरांत आमी खातली. पूण तुमी खूब व्हडले क्वॉन्टिटीन करता जाल्यार हें तुज्यान बाटलेन घालून दवरपाचें, आनी मागीर फ्रिजीन दवरात भितर. गोंया करतात जाल्यार भायल्या गांवांत तुमच्यान थोड्या आहा थिंगा जाय भायरूय दवरूं येता. आनी मागीर 1 वरस पासून हें तुमचें मांसाचें पिक्कल, मांस बीफ मोल बरे भाशेन उरतलो. Enjoy. Thank you so much.